To reboot your Foxtel box, start by powering it up. Then locate the standby button, which also functions as the power button. Press and hold this button for approximately 5 seconds before releasing it, and the box should reboot within a few minutes. If the device fails to restart automatically, you can manually restart it by pressing the standby button. Alternatively, if you have a Foxtel IQ3, you can reboot it using the remote control by pressing and holding the standby button for 10 seconds before releasing it. Another option is to perform a power cycle. Disconnect the box from its power source. Wait at least 30 seconds. Then reconnect it to the electrical outlet. Allow a minute or two to pass, giving the box time to start up and restore its settings and programming. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reboot your Foxtel box.